The issues the world is facing are complex and deeply interconnected, and no single discipline has all the answers. One Health recognizes that reality. It's about working with people from different fields to understand these connections, take a systems approach, and partner with communities to address those challenges. And that's exactly what we try to do through the Global One Health Scholars Program. Help students put those ideas into action.
I would say the Global One Health Scholars has helped shape my academic plans and future professional goals by helping me get introduced to professionals in the field.
It brings together a small cohort of undergrads who want to tackle health challenges that connect people, animals, plants, and the environment. So through a year-long program of interdisciplinary training, experiential learning, and professional development, we're helping prepare the next generation of One Health leaders.
The program not only connects you with other undergrads who are passionate about One Health, but also with graduate students in the One Health Fellows programs and professors doing One Health research. And it was through those connections I ended up meeting a One Health Fellow who's now my research mentor. So now I get to be part of One Health research every day, and that wouldn't have been possible without the Scholars Program.
Throughout the year, scholars work on a real One Health project with partners here in North Carolina. So our scholars collaborate with entomologists, public health veterinarians, and environmental health and outreach specialists, really practicing what it means to work across disciplines while putting their leadership training into action.
I was able to work with the other scholars on the lacrosse encephalitis materials, and I think that was really interesting because I was able to learn from my peers kind of like what their background information, if they had any, on that topic was.
We built like info boards and infographics and other informational papers to give out to the community.
At the end of the year, the scholars take the Global One Health Applications course at NC State's European Center in Prague, a fully funded summer study abroad experience that brings everything they've learned together.
In the classroom, you learn about the theories of One Health, but in Prague, we got to see applications of it firsthand, whether it was touring the Veterinary Institute or learning about sustainable farming practices or hearing from human health experts. We got so many diverse perspectives about One Health.
Students also engage with community members and explore how cultural and historical context shapes responses to issues like climate resilience, water quality, and infectious disease.
Most of our time was spent talking to different people in leadership and also being able to see what obstacles came in their way and what they did to overcome them.
It's an immersive experience that builds cultural understanding, global awareness, and practical insight into how One Health principles apply in the real world.
Being able to step outside of the U.S. and learn about those perspectives in a new country was an amazing experience and really important when we talk about global One Health, to really learn about how different cultures and histories of different countries shapes One Health challenges and the importance of having international collaboration when we talk about global health.
Whether they're in a North Carolina community or across the ocean in Prague, they're applying what they've learned in ways that make a real impact.
My favorite part of the Scholars Program was definitely all the friends that I made, and they inspire me so much with how passionate they are and how hardworking they are, and they just motivate me every day to keep working towards One Health and pursuing my dreams.
In general, I think I've gotten a greater understanding of the collaborative work that takes place between different fields, and also hearing from other professionals, for example, in like CMAS, really opened my horizons to what kind of epidemiological work is out there.
That's what the Global One Health Scholars Program is all about. Preparing students to collaborate, to listen, and to lead toward healthier communities everywhere.